friends and hello student. In this session we learn the pyramid in C language. So let us start. I first share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here turbo C++, I just double click and take some time, and now yes, it's open. Alter F file menu open, taking new file, and here write a program to print pyramid. Okay, so pyramid as following pattern or shape, you can say that. So how the pyramid we can first use the asterisk sign. So here first asterisk, then here I take some tab, and here second directly appear 3. So that type of pyramid we can start. Then directly we can say that odd number, so directly 5. So that is our goal. And then I just, yes, now I comment line, so you can just understand. So multi comment line here. Then after 7, okay. So here also asterisk is used, so I just some blank, and so that is our target of this session. Okay, so now start coding, and then stdio.h standard input output is there. Console conio input output dot h2 over header file is required, and then we can also use if any other we can use. Then okay, now first that is a very I, then j and n, that is our fixed 3 main variable, and then we can enter number of, we can say that enter number of rows, so we can take the n number of, we can also take the r variable as a row, but here we can number of rows, so that type of we can scan n variable. So how many row you have to know triangle and pyramid in my previous video lecture. If you not watch, first watch and then attend this video lecture. So here we can now pyramid. Okay, okay, now we can take first one for loop, and that I equal to 1, and then I less than equal to n, and then I plus plus. So that is our general loop, and then you have to know very well. So two loop, nested loop concept we have to use. So j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, and then we can j semicolon and j plus plus, and then we can print our asterisk sign. Yes, so that is a asterisk, and that is star also, but that multiplication operation we have to arithmetic operator, that sign we have to use in C language. So here outer, that is slash n, then now to our, that is a default shape, that triangle shape now is display first, and we convert in pyramid. So yes, I first save this file, so we can say that star, and first we can let pyramid, and then star, star. Yes, so 8 character is there, and what C extension we provide. So let us how it's print. You will know very well in that I initialize only one time, and every time j is initialized, so that I is a row, number of row handle, and then j is print our row to column element. So first there are 1, but after that are directly 3, so we can change according to our requirement. But first I run this program and print our, so that is a simple 1 1 2. Okay, so that is triangle shape, but now we can requiring first and second row directly 3 star. So we can say that on not even but odd directly row we have to take. So what we can change, so here I, in our main loop we have to change, and I equal to I plus 2, and here we can just multiply 2, because we can 5 enter, that time n is 5, but our increment is 2, I equal to I plus 2, so 5 multiplied 2 10. So that is only print row 5 only, but because that here jump is 2 not 1, so that is our requirement. And let us check how it's print. So now I just run and now it's 5. So directly look 1, directly 3, and then 5, 7, and 9. That but shape is not that triangle. Now we can take one extra for loop, and that our known as a special, and that pace, and that we take here for loop, provide the appropriate pace. So here SP, okay. So here provide to I, yes, and then SP is less than 40 because our monitor resolution is 80 columns. So divide by 2. So center of the screen, that pyramid is print. So that is shape now is can convert into pyramid. And let us, yes, I just blank, and let us what happen. So yes, so now that justification is changed left to right, but now we can change in the pyramid. So there are two techniques here. Or printing, we can provide the blank, yes. So let us check how it's print now. Yes, good, that is our requirement. So that is a triangle. No, not now that shape is not triangle, that is a pyramid. So one row, after second row 3, then third row that is 5, then fourth row that is 7, and fifth row that is a 9 star. So we can skip our even digit 2, 4, 6, that type of we cannot print directly. We can convert that required to our uh, odd number. You can say that 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, that type of. So 5 row is there, only 5 row, but print. So what is it we can take here? So very simple, I think you can understand. So here a multiply n multiply 2, and here we can increment I plus 2. So 2 jump I, and you can also use compound assignment, like I is there, here is I in. So plus sign equal, and then you can remove this. So equal plus equal, that is common. There is no any error. Yes, and let us check how it's print. Yes, so that is a print, and also we can print in reverse order, but we can provide some coloring, so that is look better. So here you have to know very well. If my previous video lecture you have to watch. So text color is there. So here we can provide the text color, and that conio dot not require any extra header file. And here we can take like I plus 1, that our color, or you can specific color also. And here cprintf, so normal printf, not coloring. And we can use the plus blinking. So here blink, that capital, and let us check. Yes, that now let us check, that is a blinking. So ready. So that is very simple, and blinking is there. And also we can use the delay. So that is also happen, delay function is there. So delay, and here I give 500. So that is a require one header file, and those.h, some that compiler print that starts waiting and then printing. So like some magic is there. So those.h delay function is there. So now yes, and you can also trace watch window. Yes, so that is a waiting, blinking, and printing. That is a combination of both. So that is look better. Yes, so I think that is a pyramid. Yes, and also we can in print in reverse order. Okay, so I just reverse order. So how we can here? I directly initialize that and that take parenthesis, and here we can give the greater than equal to 1, that our main loop we have to change, and minus, not the plus. So let us how it's print. Yes, so directly that print in reverse order. So yes, let us check, it is in reverse order. So that is a first that print. Yes, so that is a better look. Yes, okay, in reverse order. So yes, that is a 1 equal is remaining, so 1 is not printed. Okay, So here we can give to n, that is 5, and multiply it, directly start 10. So we can go to 0, that is required. So minus 2 is there. So we can assign to like 5 row is there. Okay, 5 row is print over. Yes, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that print in the element in the pod. Okay, 2, 4. So we can assign here our less than or equal to is good, but here we can assign 9 as our requirement. So one value we have to minus subtraction 10, and then that print is well. Yes, so that is multiplication and minus one sign. So that is like, let us check how it's print. Yes, that now I think 3. Yes, so 9. Yes, that now, yes, complete. 4, 5. Yes, 3 and 1. Now it look better. Yes, so that is our requirement. Also you can print even, there is no problem. And now I just copy this all loops. Yes, and pass to, yes, that all loop I copy inner and outer. And again in reverse, reverse order is there. Now print in our correct order. So what happened? Yes, that I just change to here. Previously our loop I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and parenthesis multiply 2. Okay, and I plus again. Yes, so all parts remaining same. And here, okay, let us check first how it's print. So all we can combine, and also provide the background color. Yes, that is also possible. So now I give 5. Yes, what happened? So first print in row order and then correct order. So both are combined like a shape of some pattern design, and that timer, like you have to look at timer. Yes. So that is a timer. Yes. So that is look better, I think. Yes. So yes, perfect timer shape is there. So that is blinking, then coloring, and also you can provide the background color, that is also remaining. Let us try. And last, that our and text background color. So we can fix our background color. So that is, we can provide like mm, so many color is there. We can yellow first test how it's background, and just I copy, and also in here. Yes, so okay, but no problem, that is also possible, but we can correct order. So here, okay, now I save and then compile, and that 5. So that is a yellow, that not like exactly look yellow, but that monitor display that type of. So background is there, so that color is same in third row, that is matching in the background, so that not display. So we can provide like white background, then all are display. Yes, so that is possible. Or we can, which color is not there, shine color is not there, so we can provide the shine background. So that what happened. Also you can provide the white background, shine SN. Yes, also here I provide the shine. Yes, so now I compile and then run, save first and then. Yes, so that is a look. Now all are looking. Yes, first is a green, then gray, I think. Yes, that now brown. Yes, then red, and then green again, green, red, then brown again, and then green, gray, and last is a green. Okay. Green or some, no, not green, but I think yellow, that type of meaning. So but previously without background, that look is better, I think. So we cannot provide background, that also possible, and you can provide the I last testing, and that provide the white background. So here, white. Yes, so now, so that is a looking, yes, better. I think there is a printing all white background. Yes, so that is a coloring. And if you not provide background, without background, that is look better, I think. So yes, that is a timer share. And I just comment line for background, and last time I run because very magic is there some. So there is a look better without background, and here we can combine, okay, both our blinking and coloring. That is a very important. So that is look better because black background and that all color is display very well. Or some that background provide color black is in default, that mode is looking better. So there is a blinking, coloring, and that is timer shape. I think you have to know in previously sand is a in up to down. That is no, we can find our time. Okay, so I hope you can understand. So write this program to your not in C language. That is a pyramid, not triangle. But we can first print triangle shape and then convert into our requirement in odd digit. First 1, then 3, and directly 5, then 7 and 9. That 5 row. And you can print any row. That is no limitation. I just show you. So here I 10. So that number of time that is print. So I just yes can watch. Yes. So there is a very simple, I think. So look, yes, that is a better. So but color is now is black, so that not print. Black is in that screen, so that is not printed. Yes, now is look better. Yes, and I think ready. Yes, that now print. Yes, so that is a like magic. So 10 row that print. Yes, so I think you can understand that is very important and simple. We have to write. So yes, that take time to display all element because we can use delay 500. So that measure in millisecond. So that is a and that background color, that our mono screen default, and that line is there in black color. So that is not display, but that is printed. You can clear see. So that row also is printed. Yes, and now last, yes, that red all star is printed in 10. So 10 row is display, 5 up and 10 up and 10 below. Okay, so now I close this session. So many testing we have to. Yes, so write this program to your notebook and I close this file and alter F3 that function F3 and alter X speed. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakadi, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture. Hare Krishna.